madebynale. Today I'm kind of doing some streetwear vibes, as you guys can see. Decided to wear like a bodycon. I just have the sides out, like I just love it. I might cut this a little bit higher. Yeah, but I really like the way this is looking. The reason why I'm dressed like this, guys, is because I want to challenge myself. I want to do something different. This lady, she does hats with like materials and all that stuff, and I think it's so cool. Let's just give streetwear a quick go, but we're gonna keep it classy and cute because you guys know the vibes. I've been kindly gifted this hat, like, oh my gosh, guys, it's literally authentic. It's the real deal, and I just cannot deal. I was also kindly gifted this beautiful, this gorgeous material, guys. Like, let me come to you so that you can see the details. So these are the details. Like, look how stunning. Don't watch my nails, but look how stunning, like even against my top. Wow. Oh my, guys, can you see what I'm seeing? This is gorgeous. This is how I plan on doing this, and I think it might be slightly different to how she's done it, but this is how I kind of envision it to go. So the way I just slapped that on my head. So I'm just gonna like literally put it on my head like this. So it's like a Vail situation that we're going for, and just to like measure it out. I really want to keep this like situation going. I'm not cutting any of the fabric. I'm literally working with what we have, because as soon as I cut it, it's just not gonna give. So yeah, guys, this is how it's meant to be. And then I'm also gonna add this hat on top. It might look very crazy right now, but hear me out. But the only thing that I don't really like is how, you see the back, how it's kind of like, this is like my hair, the jewels are like my hair, the hat is just stuck on. So what I'm thinking of doing is actually moving this. Ooh, my hair has gone crazy. But moving this and maybe popping this on top. So like popping the veil on top. Purpose of this video, I'm literally going to use my textile glue, because quite frankly, I need to be out. Like, I've got to be somewhere in literally about half an hour, but I'm trying to be consistent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue these things together. So what I'm going to do is glue it down, and then I will also sew it on my sewing machine. So with the gluing, you wanna, ooh, that splash was not cool. That is not cutesy at all. So I'm following these markings. Can you see? These markings, I'm just gonna follow all of that, gluing it down all the way around. That, guys, this is when we are gonna take our veil. Take the veil carefully. Make sure it's bang in the center, but it is bang in the center. Oh my goodness, I love the way that's looking. Yeah, guys, so basically I stuck it down, and it's not going to glue down unless we pin it. And guys, don't watch my missing nail. But yeah, so we're going to pin this down.
So yeah, guys, I just sewed everything together, and this is me just showing you. This took me forever, but yeah, enjoy the mini time lapse. And guys, this is how it looked on me. Like, damn, I loved it. I absolutely loved it.